I'm a bad girl.
Oh, okay.
I'm 60.
Who are you?
60.
Richie?
60.
Oh. What are you doing?
Well, somebody got hurt and somebody fixed it.
Oh.
I got a gun.
You got a gun?
Yeah.
What are you going to do with the gun?
I kill someone with a gun.
Oh, no.
Only a bad guy.
That's right. Only a bad guy. Okay. Just wondered what you're doing over there.
But I'm nice right now because there's no bad guys.
Okay.
This is my house.
Oh, is that your house?
Yes.
No bad guys there?
Nope.
Awesome.
But are you a bad guy?
No, I'm not. I'm a good guy.
You are?
Yes.
Well, that's good.
Yes, that is good.
No, Ranjo. That's my kitty cat.
What's your kitty cat's name?
Ranjo.
Ronjo. Okay. Bye-bye.
Ranjo.